Hi, we're at IBC 2022 at the BlueShpe booth, and I'm talking to Pietro. Hello, Pietro.
Morning.
And basically, you have a few interesting products here. I think these are actually prototypes. So what can you tell us about them?
They are prototype for the new standard that was introduced by ARRI some years ago about the B-mount. So we are developing actually 3 new products. One is a simple converter to use existing V-mount and being able to power B-mount power-enabled devices at high voltage. So it is a converter that gets a regular V-lock batteries that are nominal 40 volt, stepping up to higher voltage, 24 volts, in order to power a 24 volt camera. It is quite requested because at the moment there are not so many companies, at least 30% of them, they want to be able to use the existing fleet of batteries that in some cases, in some rentals, it is even quite huge of 100 or even 1,000 of batteries, okay? So it is a solution that is very quick, just to have a system already available, okay, without having to invest in new batteries and chargers. And others are 2 prototype of B-mount batteries that we are designing right now. We are designing these batteries based on new lithium-ion cell format, that is the so-called 21700. Are lithium-ion cells a bit bigger than the regular 18650. They are more efficient because they have been designed with the let's say, less internal resistance that is good for delivering high current and work more efficiently, generating less heat and things like that. And we are designing at the moment 2 batteries. One is big size 290 watt hour, okay, in line with the other products that are already available in the market in the B-mount. And another one will be an even bigger 435 watt hour.
That's a huge battery.
Huge battery that will allow a very long run time on cameras. But we are also thinking that the usage on the light will be super good for that battery. The battery will be B-mount, single voltage, 28 volt nominal.
Will you be able to use the adapter with these batteries on 28 volt V-mount batteries? V-mount devices, basically?
At the moment, the B-mount, they cannot go on the V-mount because...
No, with the adapter, of course.
With the adapter, the adapter is V battery to B-mount plate. So in the case of the aperture is a bit different. You need the B-mount going on a V.
Ah, okay.
So it is a bit opposite side. We need to check, but I think that I hope that the aperture guy they will open to a higher voltage because I think that they will benefit.
Yeah,
because they are super light. They need a lot of power, and the bigger problem in the electronic is not the voltage, it's the current. So the less current, the better is for everyone, the batteries and everything. So I think they should increase the open to be able to use higher voltage application. But this is
up to them. Yeah,
up to them, and
of course, and then up to other manufacturers.
Yes. But already there are a lot of lights working with higher voltage, 28 volt.
Yeah. But not B, still. I mean,
yes. Still looking for other applications, installing 2 batteries in series.
Yeah.
Sometimes, So the B-mount can be beneficial in that case, okay? Installing batteries in series, 28 volt, eventually in parallel or...
Yeah. You also have this new product, right?
Yes. This is a very interesting charger for small, we call DV power packs. It is a charger that... quite fast, okay, because it is charging 1.3 amp per channel, okay, simultaneously. But with a simple touch of this area, the charger changed to blue and go into turbo mode, charging at about 2.2 amp per channel. So this means charging quite fast, medium and big batteries. It can charge 14 volt batteries like 7 volt batteries, okay? So the typical Sony MPF is 7 volt nominal. The Sony BPU is 14 volt nominal. So you can mix the two, okay? The magic is coming from the electronic inside in combination with a USB-C PD power supply.
Yeah, that's cool. Okay, you have a third, I think, product that you're showing. Let's take a look at that
Yes.
as well.
This is our inverter that we launched a few months ago at the NAB, and it won a prize. It was recognized as a product of the year, and we are very proud of it. It is a rugged power generator. Okay, basically there are lithium-ion battery modules. Okay, up to 1,200 watt-hour, and there is an inverter. Okay, generating AC. This model that we sell in Europe is generating 220 volt up to 800 watts, powered by 1,200 watt-hour lithium-ion battery.
Okay.
So basically you are getting AC on the field, okay?
But why not actually connect make a device similar to this, but where you actually take either B or V mount batteries and have the same idea?
Because then the size need to become a bit bigger, because installing 4 batteries, because there is a charger embedded, okay? So you have charger inside.
It can be a little bit bigger, because I think that you can't take it on an airplane anyway. So because of the battery.
If we remove the battery, yes, it can travel. If you remove the battery,
And if you use but the big batteries don't go on a plane anyway.
Yes, correct. Like this one, you can.
So maybe in the future you could do a version which will be a little bit bigger with actual batteries.
The request for the power generators like that for AC are going a bit for high wattage, so 2,000, 3,000 watts, and that will
a lot of batteries.
Exclude the usage of locks and things like that.
Even like 2 or 3 B, like large capacity B batteries will not be enough.
They could be okay, but the capacity will be short. Okay.
Yeah.
So when you talk with people on the set, they need 200, 2,000, 3,000 watts for big lights.
Yeah, of course.
In that case, they want some runtime, and you can only achieve if you have very large 3,000 watt-hour, 4,000 watt-hour batteries, okay? That it is only possible if you have a large battery.
Yeah. No, I'm just thinking because, if you have, let's say, for a larger production, if you have like a big cart with a lot of batteries, then you can switch them through the go, because if this drains out,
I understand.
You can't do anything.
I understand your meaning.
Yeah.
Yes, using battery could be attractive, but
maybe you can do something that will allow this to have like an external unit where you plug in batteries to increase the capacity of this.
That is an option. That is an option that we are considering, because, but the benefit of connecting one battery is.
Yeah, it's marginal.
It's marginal, yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I know. With the big B-mount batteries, you're talking about almost 500. It's a lot.
Now, the unit has embedded charger, 200 watt charger. So if you can charge, if you are close to the AC, you can charge the unit while you are discharging. So it is working as a UPS, online UPS, okay?
It's important.
So if there is a cut in the incoming AC, you have
the lights doesn't drop, yeah, of course. How much time does it take to fully charge?
Fully charge is about 6 hours and a half, okay?
And it has
the battery.
I see that it has fans, but
the fans are automatically operated in case the output power is heavy.
Yeah.
Because then the inverter generates heat.
Yeah. Does it make a lot of noise? I mean, here it's difficult to hear.
There is a minimal, let's say, not a lot of noise, but the fans, it is making a ventilation circuit that is
probably good to put it a little bit distance from this to that, where you're.
Now, on the film set, there is a trend nowadays to limit the usage of inverter powered by fuel, because of the noise, because of the pollution.
Yeah.
In the city centers, there are trends of switching to battery-powered inverters.
This is already available on the market?
Yes, sorry.
How much does it cost?
The cost is 3,200, okay, and user price, euro.
Dollar,
euro, nowadays.
Yeah.
totally the same.
Okay, and they can find you on your website?
Yes, of course. It is on our website and already our dealers network they have. Okay, and there are requests for this device.
Yeah.
And we are already thinking to design one with larger wattage output. Okay, and
It will probably be larger physically.
or a larger physical unit like that, because this is a rugged unit, very convenient because it has wheels,
Just take it.
as an IP67 case when it is, in store.
Yeah.
The idea is to make something not in a single case because it will be too heavy,
Yeah.
but making something modular. So a unit with inverter and a number of units with battery, even daisy chain.
That's a very good idea. Fantastic idea.
Because, otherwise, so they
You can take
clean.
it. Yeah. Lighter.
Yes.
Yeah.
That is.
It makes a lot of sense. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much, Pietro.
Thank you very much, Edo.